use it when it's fresh and wet. That made it very easy to cut. I'll show you. Can't do that with a dry tree. A long time ago, we would carve into the wood with the knife by hand the shape of the wooden shoe. And we would use these so-called spoon scoops to hollow out the inside. It was quite a tough job, and it took about 2 to 3 hours to make one pair, if you're good at it. But with these machines behind me, it only takes 5 minutes. So I won't take up too much of your time. This first machine will create the outside shape of the wooden shoe. It works with the same basic idea as copying a key. You see, this blade here will trace over the model shoe we have and create a copy. Here we go. And most of the work is already done, the outside shape of the shoe. Next we're going to hollow out the inside. This machine over here. Once again, we're going to copy the model we have, because these two bars are connected. So when I put this one in here, we'll create the same open space in this one. quite strange to walk on them like this, so we're going to cut off the wood at the nose and the heel of the shoe. This big pole knife. You didn't see that? That is roughly finished outside shape of the wooden shoe.
Yeah.
However, the wood is still quite wet. I'll try to show you. So next it will need to be dried for about 3 to 4 weeks. If it dries too fast, the wood will break. Outside of the sun. After that, polish it on a sandpaper belt, and the end result will be a finished wooden shoe for about a 4-year-old. Wooden shoes for adults, they're a lot bigger, as you can see. We typically wear them with thick woolen socks and about 1 finger of free space behind the heel. This makes them comfortable to walk in and prevents blistering. Why would you actually wear a wooden shoe? Well, once they're dry, they're waterproof, they're quite warm, and also very strong and sturdy. These are the original safety shoes. I'll show you. See? Thanks for your attention. Look around.